Buildings are more than just bricks and mortar. They are complex organisms that need a network of systems to function properly. This is where MEP systems come in. MEP stands for Mechanical, Electrical and Plumbing, three interconnected disciplines that form the backbone of modern buildings. From temperature control to lighting to water supply, MEP systems are essential for creating comfortable, safe and efficient spaces for people to live, work and play. MEP systems are designed to work together seamlessly, creating a delicate balance within a building. For instance, the heating and cooling load of a building, determined by the mechanical system, directly affect the electrical system's capacity and distribution needs. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into each component of MEP, mechanical, electrical and plumbing, exploring their individual roles and functions within a building. The mechanical systems in a building are responsible for maintaining comfortable and healthy indoor environments. They are often referred to as the lungs of a building, regulating air quality, temperature and humidity. The most recognized mechanical system is HVAC, which stands for heating, ventilation and air conditioning. HVAC systems control the temperature of a building by either heating or cooling the air, depending on the season and the needs of the occupants. Ventilation ensures a constant supply of fresh air, removing stale air and pollutants, crucial for maintaining good indoor air quality. Beyond basic climate control, mechanical systems also encompass air filtration and humidity control. Air filtration systems remove dust, allergens and other airborne particles, improving indoor air quality. A well-designed mechanical system ensures optimal energy efficiency, minimizing the building's environmental impact while keeping operating costs low. Electrical systems are the nervous system of a building, distributing power throughout the structure. They power lighting, appliances, communication networks, and security systems. Lighting is one of the most visible aspects, illuminating spaces for tasks and ambience. Power distribution delivers electricity safely and efficiently. Emergency systems provide backup during outages. Electrical systems also handle communication and data transfer. Section 4. Plumbing systems, the circulatory system of a building. Often overlooked but equally vital are the plumbing systems, which act as the circulatory system of a building. These systems are responsible for the safe and efficient distribution of clean water and the removal of wastewater. From the moment we turn on a faucet to the flush of a toilet, plumbing systems are essential for sanitation, hygiene and our overall well-being. The most recognizable function of plumbing systems is providing clean water for drinking, cooking and washing. Equally important is the drainage system, which carries away wastewater from sinks, toilets, showers and other fixtures. Beyond these basic functions, plumbing systems also encompass essential safety features like fire protection systems. Sprinkler systems connected to the plumbing network are crucial for controlling and suppressing fires, protecting lives and property. Section 5. The importance of MEP systems. MEP systems are vital for modern buildings. They impact comfort, energy efficiency and environmental footprint. HVAC systems ensure comfort by regulating temperature and humidity. Proper ventilation and lighting improve air quality and productivity. Electrical and plumbing systems ensure safety and prevent damage. Fire protection systems are crucial for life safety. Optimizing MEP systems reduces energy use and costs. Section 6. Conclusion. MEP. Essential for modern buildings. In conclusion, MEP systems are not just a collection of pipes, wires and ducts. They are the essential organs that keep a building alive and functioning. They provide the comfort, safety and efficiency that we often take for granted in modern buildings. From the air we breathe to the water we use, MEP systems play a critical role in our daily lives. Building professionals need to stay abreast of the latest trends and technologies in MEP design and installation. Understanding the complexities of MEP systems and their integration is crucial for creating buildings that are not only functional and efficient, but also healthy, sustainable and resilient for years to come.